Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA, learn English and Spanish language. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here in this page. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will go to the application of EWA. Here in this page of app unfold, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you